Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. After understanding how you can open our Microsoft Excel, now we are going to see how you can start recording our data, numerical data in our Excel sheet. So in this video I'm going to show you the two ways that you can use to create or just to record your data in Excel sheets. The first one was for beginners, and also I will show you the professional one so that you can use it to save time. So without spend more time, let's get started. Yes, for beginners to enter your data here, you can just start with typing like this: 1, for example, 2, 3, you see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. Do you see? Just you need to select cell. This is this part which is highlighted here. Then you enter any number you want, like this one. You select this one. Also you enter this one. Do you see? But this is for beginners. So let me show you how you can just code like this number in just a few seconds using just scroll as a professional one. Yes, as a professional, to record numbers looks like a sequence like that one. You just type, for example, here 1, then also second one 2, then you select from first one. Do you see like this one? I just select. Do you see? Then make sure that your cursor is in H here so that you can get this addition sign here. Do you see? Now after that you click left click, then you scroll down like this one. Do you see? Once I scroll, automatically number will be written, recorded automatically. Do you see? Now this is a simple way. As you see, you can just do it in just a few seconds. So thank you so much. This is how you can start to record your data in Microsoft Excel, either as beginner and as professional one. But as you see, for professional one is very attractive and saving time. So thank you. See you in next lesson.